This is my 96 Toyota 4Runner. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission, 3.4 liter V6, custom front and rear bumpers. It has got a 3-inch suspension lift and a 2-inch body lift. It has some bald 33-inch tires on it right now. Up front for the lift, it's just a spacer. And then in the rear, I've got a, or rather the Toytec Super Flex coils. And then for shocks, I've got Skyjacker 2-inch lift shocks for a FJ80 series Land Cruiser, which are a couple of inches taller than, or longer than the longest like Bilsteins that you can get for these. So they're extremely, the travel's pretty good on those things. It's got a rear tire carrier. Again, homemade rock sliders. The only thing that stops this from being, I think, one of the coolest 4Runners out there is it doesn't have the e-locker. But it's got, it's got a 5-speed sport hood. It has the 99 to 2002 clear headlights. It's got a 99 grille. Yakima roof rack. Bought this out in Colorado about a year ago, and then recently just got another 4th gen 4Runner, so I'm going to be selling this one. I wanted to take a video of it before I sold it, as I usually do with all the 4Runners I've had. But here it is. It's been a good little rig. Thanks for checking it out.